it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me for another Top Tip Tuesday. So today, let's go back. You may have watched my video and read about the post that I did for, or the project rather I did for the Kylie Bertucci blog hop that happened yesterday evening UK time. This is the card, well, these are the cards I made. And you may remember that when I filmed, I had a gold bell here rather than a copper bell. And I did say I would show you how I was going to change it. So here we are. I have a cherry cobbler bell. I have a slightly glittery Versamark ink pad. I've got some sparkling or shimmer, what do we call it? Shimmer white embossing powder. And a pair of tweezers, which are getting quite manky now because I abuse my tweezers. I need to get some of the embossing powder off them, but yeah, I do abuse them. So what you want to do is you take your metal object, or indeed whatever it is. You can use this for brads, for, I don't know that I would use it on plastic buttons, but you certainly anything metal. And you can just cover your item with as much Versamark ink as thoroughly as you possibly can, so that it is pretty much well and truly covered. And then drop it in your desired embossing powder. And I'm actually going to put the lid on, give it a shake, and that may not have been the wisest thing I've ever done, because of course now I can't find my bell, but a piece of paper to the rescue. There we go, it's in there. It is, it's in there. It's there. This works fine in a large tub because I don't put much embossing powder in my large tub. Putting it into the thing it came in, maybe not a great idea. Shake out any excess, and you can already see that this was cherry cobbler. Not anymore. And then just pour your embossing powder back into your little tub. And pop everything away. Let me grab the lid for that. I seem to have got embossing powder all around the outside of my pot, which now means, of course, I'm covered in glitter. Never mind. Right. Cheese board, heat gun. Now, you need to be careful. This is going to get very hot. It's metal. Metal moves heat quickly, so it's going to melt faster than you think, and what you don't want is to overheat it. So don't go too mad with the heat gun. So I would say that is probably all melted. I'm going to be quite circumspect on checking because it is hot. It's still ringing, but yeah, that's still quite hot, and the embossing powder is still damp because it hasn't set, because the heat will be retained in the metal. But there is a silver, well, sparkly bell, and here are some I've prepared before. So I've got a black sparkle, which still rings. They don't all still ring. This was shaded spruce. This is another cherry cobbler that is now not. It's the sparkle white. And another shaded spruce that is now copper. So, yeah, I think that should. It's still warm, but it rattles rather than rings now. But it is still warm, so you can see how long it takes to cool down. But, yeah, if you wanted to do a monochrome Christmas with bells, how's that? Anyway, I just thought I would share that with you as it came up yesterday. Actually, it wasn't this card, was it? It was the cherry cobbler one. It's this one. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you very much indeed for watching. If you found that helpful, please give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel in the bottom right hand corner. Do remember that between the 2nd and 17th of November, if you share any of my posts that were posted between the 2nd and 17th of November of YouTube, my web posts, or my Facebook business page, you will be entered into a free draw. You get one entry for each social media of those 3 social medias that you share. But it is only one, so don't post or share 15 times and expect 15 entries. You get one per social media, and you do need to say in a comment on that platform that you have shared. But if you're in the UK and you shop with me and use the host code, you get 5 entries for every order you place. And then on Monday the 18th, after On Stage, which I'm going to tomorrow, I will announce the winner. And the prize is a Stamparatus, new inbox, never been unpacked Stamparatus from me to anyone in the UK. Please, if you're a demonstrator, this is not a prize draw for demonstrators. It is a prize draw for members of the public, customers, and the like. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye!